Everybody, hope you guys are doing well. TJ here, and just wanted to drop by with a quick video on a very powerful marketing tool that you guys may or may not be utilizing within your efforts. Now, you may be saying, TJ, what is it? Is it text message marketing? Is it digital advertising? Is it social media marketing? No, it's actually email marketing. Email marketing is still considered the #1 marketing tool that is delivered to take prospects and turn them into clients, but also nurture current clients. Before we get into the stats of why email marketing is still #1, I wanted to help everyone kind of understand the framework behind a great email campaign. A great email campaign is usually 2 to 5 emails. It consists of strong headlines that hooking people in to be able to click on the email. It also has very valuable pre-headers. Pre-headers are the sentence that you kind of see when an email comes across your inbox, and that should be giving away enough value so it makes people wonder, what else is in this email? Every single email that you guys send in the campaign should have a personalized approach that gets straight to the point with minimal distractions within the content. A lot of times emails are sent off with no purpose, no direction, and it's kind of like shooting from the hip and hoping that a prospect takes action around that email. That is a horrible way to do it. So instead, you need to reframe your mind and say, what is the purpose of this email campaign? And that should allow you to create emails that hit those call to actions and the purpose of those emails that you want a prospect to take, whether booking an appointment, registering for a webinar, or registering for a seminar or live event. So some quick stats on why email marketing is the most effective tool right now still in a world of all digital marketing efforts. 60% of small business owners actually still consider email marketing the best way to convert prospects into clients for the long term, as well as in financial advisory. Financial advisors have a 27% open rate within their emails, which is incredibly high, believe it or not. And this is probably the most important, idea here is that every email campaign, you receive $45 back to every dollar spent. That's one of the highest ratios in any industry in all of kind of the email marketing spectrum niche wise. So you may be asking, TJ, well, where do I begin? How do I start email marketing? How do I start utilizing, my prospect database? Well, I actually have a great solution for you guys. We actually manage and run campaigns within, Constant Contact. A lot of you guys do have Constant Contact. So we actually manage and run email marketing campaigns based around current topics, whether that's taxes and retirement, social security, anything like that. And we actually manage and run them through Constant Contact with data and reporting. We make sure every email is optimized around the criteria that I mentioned before, with headlines, pre-headers, no distractions, getting straight to the point, and also helping you guys convert more prospects into clients while also nurturing your clients and allowing them to trust you more, develop a better relationship, and just have those long-term relationships that you guys want, so you're able to potentially one day manage all of their assets that they may have. So if you guys are interested in allowing us to manage your email marketing campaigns, I would love to have a call set up, and we can kind of brainstorm, and you can pick my brain, and we can kind of develop a strategy around a specific topic so that we can drive the right people to your events, if you want, into your events, to your seminars, to your webinars, and also just general prospect nurturing and client engagement.